So there are all sorts of technical terms to describe what's going on here. And it's too easy to get lost because of that, because of the technical names that are associated with all of this stuff. But all you need to remember is that when you're creating your pose, you're doing it relative to weight and motion. So something like this, ordinarily, obviously the avatar can't stand upright with both feet behind the center line, because that's obviously off balance. But because the avatar is holding on to something, we can do that, because all the tension creates its own center line essentially, but it allows us to have the mass of the body on the center line whilst the legs are off kilter because it's offset by the hand.